After I came to this class, it was easier to play with the drones before. The coach was very nice and it was very fun with all my friends playing.
Let's do it!
After we started building the drones and learning about more types of drones, it became very fun and very interesting, and I feel very happy and proud of myself that I can play drone by myself and make drone by myself.
Okay, I'll show you how to fly it. You don't put power lah.
We also learned how drones work in a physics manner. Overall, it was very fun. We got to play with drones, assemble it ourselves without any help, and very fun videos were being shared as we were progressing in the lesson.
First, it was a bit hard because we're trying to adjust. Then it became a bit easier.
Give!
Try to see the movie lah.
Go to the teacher's office! The teacher's office!
So we go through it. He made it very simple for us to understand, so then we can do everything ourselves.
Whoa!